Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how you can edit like you as a girl paying viral photo. But then today I will do it with PicsArt application. Now let's just open our PicsArt application on our mobile phone and wait until the PicsArt application is perfectly open, and the next tap into this plus button bottom here, and then just pick the picture that you want to edit. You can explore here, or you can also edit from your photo library. And right after you got it, you just need to go take a look on this bottom feature, swipe into the left side, and just go tap into this cut out, and then you just need to go brush into the outer line of the picture. Perfect. So you just need to brush everything inside. Alright, the fastest way that you can do is pick the person first. Perfect. And then you just need to go tap into restore, and then start to brushing the outer line of the picture just a little bit. Perfect. And then you just need to go click erased and just make some cut right there, just to make it like perfect. Okay, right after that you just need to go click save, and the next step into these layers and tap into this background, and then we need to find the background. You can just go click this color and click pink, and then you can just drop into the object, and then you just need to go swipe it, and then now you're just done. So this is how you can get it. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.